Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very yummy and delicious okra soup. This soup is super delicious, guys. You are going to love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart. I'll sing about your more.
And here are my ingredients for this okra soup. So here I have my okra. I've already washed and sliced this okra. I use knife to slice it, okay? Here is my beef. I've washed and cleaned this beef. Here I have stock fish and dried fish. So this is dried fish and that's stock fish. I'll use hot water to wash them. So I've already washed the two of them. And for my vegetable, I'll be making use of uziza leaf. So here is my uziza leaf. I've not washed it yet, okay, and I've not picked it. I'm going to pick it. So this is what uziza leaf looks like. I'm going to be using uziza leaf. I like uziza leaf in my okra soup. And here is my pepper mix. I have here yellow pepper, red pepper, and onions. I grated them together. This pepper is not hot, so don't look at it like this pepper is much. It's much, but pepper is not much. So guys, we are going to start now to cook our soup. So in a clean and dried pot, I'm going to be adding in my beef. I'll add in my stockfish. I'm adding in my stockfish now because it takes the same time with the beef, okay? And then I will add in my pepper mix. I'm going to add in all of this pepper, guys. This is not just pepper. I have onions there too. I'll add in my seasoning cube now. Then I'm going to mix this to properly combine. I'm going to add in water, just little water to cook the meat. Then I'm going to stir, cover and allow this to cook. So guys, while this is cooking, I will go ahead now to prepare my uziza leaf. And our meat is cooked now, and the stockfish is already soft. So the meat is cooked. I will go in with some salt. I'll add in salt. Then I'm going to be adding in more water for the soup. I will add in my crayfish. I didn't introduce this crayfish earlier, but I'm going to be adding in my crayfish now. Then I'll add in my dried fish, my deboned dried fish. I've already deboned it. I'm going to mix this now to combine all of this together. Now I'm going to add in my palm oil. I will cover this now and allow this to cook. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, okay? Don't forget to like this video and also help me to share the video. Guys, look how yummy our soup base is already looking like. So now I'm just going to stir and then I'll add in my okra. I'm going to mix this together until the okra and everything is well mixed. I will cover the pot now, allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later I'm going to, at this point the okra is ready guys, the soup is ready. At this point you can choose to either eat it like this or add in your vegetable of choice, okay? I'm just going to mix this now to combine everything very well. Guys, look how delicious and yummy this soup is already looking like. Looking so yummy guys, this is looking absolutely delicious. So now I'm going to add in my uziza leaf. I'm going to mix this now, cover and allow to cook for just a minute, okay? Just a minute. Guys, have you subscribed? Have you liked this video? Have you shared this video? Please help me to subscribe, help me to share my video, okay? And don't forget to leave your comments for me in the comment section. At this point our soup is ready. Guys, look how yummy and delicious this soup is looking like. Let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. So I'm just going to stir this now and then I'll bring down the soup. Guys, our soup is ready. Look how yummy and delicious this okra soup is looking like. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Have you subscribed? Have you liked? Have you shared this video? Please subscribe, like, share, and do all the beautiful stuff to this channel. Which swallow will you be enjoying this soup with? For me, I enjoyed mine with fufu. Okra soup goes well with fufu and pounded yam. Let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying yours with in the comment section. Don't forget to do all of that beautiful stuff to this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, guys, please stay safe. Bye.